Welcome to Fun TV with Fun Kids Afrer School's Saturday class.
This month we learned about dragonflies. Dragonflies love to fly. They even eat while they are flying. Dragonflies live around water. Babies are called nymphs. They hatch underwater.
This month we learned about ladybugs. Ladybugs are so cute.
Yes, we learned that ladybugs' wings are hidden.
Ladybugs live around the plant and they eat bugs.
Yes, and their babies hatch after just 4 days. We study about ants.
Ant groups are called colonies.
Ants are very strong. They live in underground tunnels.
Ants hatch from eggs.
Every ant in a nest helps to take care of their new babies. Today, we are at Fun Kids After School. The Fun Kids will be making spring rolls.
Harumaki!
Let's ask how to make spring rolls.
Harumaki! Harumaki?
First, we must cut meat, cheese, vegetables, or even fruits.
Next, we place the ingredients on the rice paper.
After that, we roll the rice paper.
Then we wet the ends and fold. Finally, we fry the spring rolls in oil. Today, we are using a hot plate. That's all for today. I'm hungry. Time to eat.